Aegithalos concinnus, commonly known as the black-throated bushtit, is a bird species found in parts of Asia, including China, India, and Nepal. It is known for its distinctive black throat and a long, slender tail. Here are some interesting facts about the black-throated bushtit. Highly social birds, these birds are extremely social and are often seen in small flocks. They have a strong sense of cooperation and move through their habitat in coordinated groups. Nest building. Black-throated bushtits are known for their intricately woven, pendulous nests. These nests are often seen hanging from the tips of branches. Elevated tail. They often hold their long tail upright, which is a distinctive behavior and can help in their identification. Vocal mimicry. They are capable of mimicking the calls of other bird species, which can be a survival strategy to confuse potential predators. Diet. Their diet primarily consists of insects and small invertebrates, which they forage for in the vegetation. Habitat. They can adapt to a range of habitats, from bamboo thickets to coniferous and deciduous forests. Range. While they have a reasonably extensive range in Asia, they are known to be secretive birds and can be challenging to spot despite their social behavior. Seasonal movements. Some populations of black-throated bushtits are known to exhibit seasonal movements, moving to lower elevations in the winter. These interesting facts showcase the unique behaviors and characteristics of this bird species. That's some information about the black-throated bushtit that I can share. Hopefully it can be useful and add to your knowledge. Thank you.